How to create a simple landing page on Blogger for free in 2021. Hi guys, today I will be showing you how you can actually create your own landing page on blogger.com in 2021 for free. So let's get started. All you have to do is just go to blogger.com and sign up with your Google account. Once you are signed up, this is where you will land. Now this is where you will actually see nothing. I actually follow some of the blogs, that's why I'm seeing this. But you will see this very simple page. All you have to do is just go to this option of create blog. Once I click on this, now I have to give the title to my blog. So I will call it, you can choose whatever title you want to. Next. Once I do that, now I have to give it a web address. Okay, so they're saying that this blog address is available. I'm good with this one, so I'm just gonna save it. Once you click on save, voila, your blog has been created. Now I'll show you how you can actually customize your landing page on bloggers.com. This is where you will see different options, for example, new post, stats, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme, settings, and reading list. And this is an option where we will be going from time to time to check out how our blog is looking. So let's get started. First, let's go to setting and customize our blog. So in the settings, you can see that the title of the blog, and this is the description option where I can actually add a description. So yeah, I have added this description for now, and you're just gonna simply save it, and you can choose the language, and all of these options are given right here. Now let's go to our blog. If I go to view blog right here, I will be able to see that what it looks like for now, and there is nothing here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change it. So you can see right here, this is what the blog is looking right now, and this is what the web is that I created before. So let's go to theme and select a cool theme for our landing page. Now you can see there are different cool themes available for your landing page. You can select any of these themes you want to. So I'm going with this one for now. Yeah, this one looks cool, and we will customize it. So I'm just gonna customize it, change the color maybe. I can actually go ahead and change the images within the theme to make it look good. So this is what my blog will look like. So it's looking pretty good, but if I want to change the image, I will simply click on change image, and then I can select from bunch of cool images that are available. So let's go to arts and see if we can find something. So yeah guys, this is the image that I selected. I think it's looking pretty good. So I can actually change the main theme color of the blog. So I'll just go with this color right here. Yeah, I think this looks good. And then there are more settings. If I go to advanced right here, I will be able to change the font of the page, and if I want to change the font of the title and color of the title, whatever I want to, I can just simply go ahead and do that. So the text color is black is good, I think, and then I can actually go ahead and change the font as well. So for now, I'm just gonna leave it like this. Once you are done, you can simply just click on save right here, and all of the changes will be saved. So now this is what it looks like. So I can actually go ahead and add the posts right here, which we are going to do now. Let's go to the symbol again. So now I'm gonna click on new post. Once I click on new post right here, you will see that this is where you actually create a post on blogger.com. You add the title, and there are these bunch of settings that you can go with. There is a preview, publish, and then you can add labels and permalinks, location, and options. So let's add something here. I'm gonna add a blog. So let me just grab my blog real quick. So I have just copied my blog from my Word document, and this is what the blog is. So what I'm going to do now is that, just to not to write the title again, I will just simply copy and paste. Great. And yeah, I think the title should be again is good, and if I want to change it, So you can see right here, this is what my blog is, and I have added the title and the blog right here. If I want to add any image, I can insert image, I can insert videos, or if I want to insert any special characters, I can simply go ahead and do that. If I want to change the font or anything, I can simply do that right here. After that, there is a label option where I can actually create different labels for my different blogs. For example, if your blog involves more than one category and different things, you can just simply go ahead and do that right here. After that, you can see this is the published date, and then there is permalink. From permalink, I suggest you go to custom permalink, because then this will be the link that you created, because automatic link, it involves everything. It has this publish date and everything. So just go with custom link, so it's easier for you to share this link and work with it becomes a little easier. So go with custom permalink, and then there is locations, where you can actually see the location and add location. And then there are different options, for example, if you want to allow the comments or not. So once you are done with this, all you have to do is click on publish and confirm. So guys, you can see right here, this is one of the blogs that I just wrote. And now if I go to my page right here, you will be able to see that what kind of landing page I have created. So yeah, look at this, guys. This is the page that I just created, and it was so random, but it looks good, right? So you can actually add more than one blogs right here. It's actually in the settings that how many blogs you want to be appeared on your first page, and it's all of the features are completely free, because we know Blogger is powered by Google, and all you have to do is just provide your Gmail, and you get this opportunity to create this awesome landing page. So yeah, if you want to read it, you will just simply click on read more, and you will be able to read your blog right here. And then there is this comment option and everything like that. Once your landing page is created, the good thing about blogger.com is that you actually can earn money with it. If you go to earnings right here, you will be able to create an AdSense account, and you link it to your Blogger, and then if you go to stats right here, your stats actually help you earn money. So you can actually see how many followers you have, how many posts you have, how many comments did you get, and what's the status of your blog. So you can check it out right here. But yeah, I just wanted to show you how you can actually create a landing page, which we just created. So yeah guys, I hope that now you will be able to create an awesome landing page of your own. I hope that I was a big help. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.